Welcome to Logo Academy. In this part, we will learn installation process of Go+. Before starting, let's take a look at some important information about Go+. Some general information about Go+. Go+ is used within small and medium-sized enterprises, operating in various sectors with 1 to 15 users. Maximum 25 companies can be added. And maximum user number can be 15. +1 means the logo user, which comes as default. If Logo Shop Manager additional feature is purchased, maximum 999 divisions, and maximum 1999 warehouses can be added. Open your default browser. Type FTP download logo.com.tr. Click on Windows section. Under Windows, click on Kobe. Click on the third option to reach where Go+ setup files are held. You can reach all setup files belong to Go+ starting from version 2.03. Click on the one related version to start downloading setup files. Setup parts must be downloaded in an order. Wait until all the parts are successfully downloaded. These are files in Setup folder. After download is finished, you are ready to run Setup application. Before starting the installation, you should get license key ready. License key purchased from Logo, and it consists of 26 alphanumeric characters. And it is needed for installation. Click on Next button to continue. Install product option must be selected. The license key must be copied and pasted into license key section. You can use the Paste License Key button. After that, click on Next button to continue. Click on I accept the terms of the license agreement option to continue. Choose destination location and click on Next button. Installation will start by clicking on Install button. As a business partner, you must enter a valid user code and password. User code and password is given by Logo. CIPR codes are also given by Logo. After entering a valid CIPR code, click on Next button. On this section, customer information must be filled in for mandatory fields. You are now ready for product activation. After activation, the product will be ready to use. Please check your internet connection and click on Next button. As an IP address, server name information, and default port number for the product can be seen. Now, no action should be taken until the installation is completed. On this screen, installed license keys will be listed. Click on OK button to continue. You can finish installation by clicking on Finish button. There will be a shortcut on desktop for the application, Open file location. Under Program folder, open LG config file to arrange database settings. SQL Server's username and password information is written on first two sections. Later on, server name and database name are written on following sections. On License Server Information tab, either IP number or server name is written. Port number is already given by the system. It can be changed manually or the default port number can be used. After these settings you can save the config file. Now, you can log into Go Plus System Administration to do the rest of the settings. Since we have a new and empty database, program will warn us. Logo database not found. Generate database. Click on OK button to generate database. Logo database is generated. User code and password is logo. This is the login screen of system administration. Write logo for username and password. Click on OK button. Under Management section, main settings will be done for this database, such as adding terminal, firm, and user. Open Terminal section. This is an empty record of a terminal. Update it by right-clicking. Click on three dots on Code section. Terminal name will show up automatically. Choose logo as the user of this terminal. This will make logo name to come automatically when logging into program. Now, you can save this terminal record. Open Users section. You can add infinite users on this section. We will update logo users information. Password is not mandatory for users, so it can be removed. On the details sections of users, default language, email address, etc. can be defined. Another most important part is adding a firm and period. Add a new firm on Companies section. Give a name and a title for the company. Later, choose the legislation. On Details section, address information, working days, fiscal year start date, calendar type will be set up for this firm. We will use Gregorian calendar. Fiscal year will start at 1st of January. If needed, specific start date can be given on this section. Database language is Turkish. And Saturday, Sunday are marked as work days. After these basic settings, we can save the company definition. After clicking on Save button, following message will show up. Company files, tables not found. Generate files, tables. Click on OK button. You can click on OK button to generate standard charts of accounts. Also, standard service cards can be generated. To be able to use reports, you should also generate standard report designs. Next step is adding a working period under this firm. Click on Periods section and add a new period. You can change the period dates. Default dates come from the system date. After clicking on Save button, Period Data Files Not Found message will show up. Click on OK button. Generate data files. To be able to work on this period, it has to be marked as active period. Main division and warehouse are already generated by the program. If needed, additional division and warehouse can be added. The new warehouse can also be connected to related division. After company definition, default firm can be selected for users. After all these definitions, standard record numbering templates can be generated for the firms, under Management section. But, if needed, user-defined numbering templates can also be used for slips. We will for now just use standard numbering templates. After all these mandatory settings, we are ready to log in into application. You must close system administration to be able to log in into application. This is the login screen of application. Username and if there is any password, must be entered correctly. Also, login language can be selected. If there is more than one company, they can be listed by clicking on 3 dots on Company section. After selecting the related company, click on OK button. And, this is the interface of Go Plus. We will cover each module in our following sessions. Thank you for watching our video.